Today we are going to be making something amazing, delicious and truly heavenly, okra. It's my favorite, my mom's favorite, and this is also the way my grandma used to make it. So, I thought I'd make it today and share it with you. So here I've got my lovely ingredients. I've got my okra, which is the queen of this dish. It's all about okra. It's been thoroughly washed and prepped. I've got my garlic, my crushed garlic, my red and green peppers, my tomatoes, and my onion. Okay, so I'm ready to start cooking, and these are some of the other ingredients I'll be using. I've got spices, I've got salt, I've got vegetable oil, and I've also got some water. Fry the onions on a medium heat until soft. Now add in your crushed garlic, your red and green peppers, and fry until soft. This again should only take a couple of minutes. Add in cayenne pepper, ground coriander, hot chili powder, and some salt. Add in your chopped tomatoes and cook on a low heat for a minute or two to bring out all the lovely flavors. Add in your okra, stir it gently, and cook on a low heat until soft. Add in some water and let the okra cook for a few minutes until done. done. My fork can go through the okra, and I like it to be done quite well. And I don't like the outer shell to be quite tough. I like it to be nice and soft so that I have a nice and pleasant dinner. So there you go, a very delicious, simple and quick way to make okra. Oh my goodness, it looks so heavenly, it smells delicious, and I can't wait to tuck in. But I must also show you that you can have it with some eggs, those look so yum, and some spinach, and also some sema. I really like this. This is made out of maize flour, and it's nice and healthy as well. So you can have the okra with all these wonderful accompaniments. They go really well together. It just complements the taste. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can hit the like button and please subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna try some. It looks so good. I've got the okra, the spinach, the eggs, and the sema. My favorite. I'm gonna have some. Okay. This is so good. Absolutely heavenly. And the spices, and the seasoning, everything, it just tastes so good. The best. Absolutely heavenly. Oh, that was a little bite. With the semen and everything, okra is so heavenly. It's so good, and also it's very so healthy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you can hit the like button and please subscribe.